This is the Opal Gl-SFT1200, a pocket-sized travel router with a plethora of security features. And this pocket router includes Open WRT, 3 gigabit ports, dual band Wi-Fi. It also includes a VPN, IPv6, and Tor. So what comes with the Gl-SFT1200? Well, first you get a warranty card, a detailed user manual that shows the entire setup process, which is very simple and straightforward. And obviously you get the pocket router, and this pocket router is well ventilated and includes 2 adjustable antennas. As far as the connections go, you get 1 WAN port and 2 LAN ports. You also get a USB 2.0 and a Type-C power connection. And the side of the router also has a toggle button for the modes and a reset button. So what else comes in the box? You get the Type-C power cord, which includes the US standard outlet. It would have been nice if they included the UK outlet as well as the European outlet. However, I already have those for traveling, so it's no big deal. It also includes a flat style Ethernet cable. So this is everything you get for $34.99. And it looks to be a pretty good deal. So first off, what exactly is a travel router? A travel router is a portable pocket-sized device that allows you to create a secure, safe, and stable Wi-Fi network wherever you are. A travel router can make your trips smoother, safer, cheaper, and more connected, even for your wonderful in-laws. The travel router can be connected to a hotel, airport, casino, cruise ship, or cafe Wi-Fi. No matter which travel router you purchase, the setup is always the same. First, plug in the power to the travel router. Then look on the bottom of the travel router. Here is where you'll see all the information, like the IP address, the MAC address, the SSID name, and the password. Next, on your mobile device, connect to the travel router. Simply find the SSID and connect, and put in the password and you're good to go. Next, we have to set up the router. So open a browser and type in the IP address of the router. You'll now be at the user interface. So first, choose your language, English, and then next, change the admin password. And from here, you can see the user interface. And you can see here we have a few different options. We have Ethernet, repeater, tethering, and cellular. And for this video, we're going to use the repeater option because it's the most popular option when traveling, especially in hotels and on cruise ships. So go to the repeater option and then connect to the local Wi-Fi. And if you're at a hotel or on a cruise ship, you'll be moved to a different web page, which is the captive portal. And from here, you'll put in your room number or cabin number and then connect. And then once you're connected, you now have a permanent router in your room. Just make sure the router is never unplugged. And then now you can connect all the devices to the router. And this router can connect up to 52 devices. And there's one more option I want to show you, which is the VPN. And you can see they have NordVPN as a default VPN. And you can see that we have the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz band. So when we go to the wireless settings, make sure to enable the 20 megahertz band. This band is much faster. Matter of fact, when I enabled this tripled our speed, both upload and download. And one more thing to consider, if you're going to be streaming movies or TV shows, use the 5 gigahertz band, it's faster. However, if you're further away from the router, then go ahead and use the 2.4 gigahertz. It's better at long range. So guys and gals, if you travel a lot or go on business trips, then this pocket-sized router is a must. And we're gonna have links down below to our favorite pocket-sized routers, including this one. And guys and gals, do not travel without one of these. It's a must. And if you're looking for a home mesh Wi-Fi system, check out this video right here. Or if you're looking for a badass gaming router, check out this video right here. And I'll see you guys and gals in the next video real soon. High five. Peace.